Hi, my name is Simon Leduc. I'm the product manager at Clockaudio North America. Here's a scenario. Let's say you have 24 microphones and 24 buttons, touch buttons, in an install. Typically, this is what you would need to bring back to the rack, okay? And I know for a lot of technicians, they see this. They see time and pain of having to snake all those wires back to the rack, installing those 96 Phoenix block. And yeah, it's very painstaking to do that. So the idea here is that if you have 6 of these CDT100, you can daisy chain off of a single network wire, and then you don't require to do all that work. So this is a 4-in, 2-out Dante interface. It has logic built in, and this is the Mark III generation, the newest generation, when we added a lot of features for the installer. One of them, I think you're going to really like it. There's a pinhole for test. If you hold this for 5 seconds, all of your buttons will go red, okay? And it means that you can test your buttons right when you're installing them to confirm that everything's plugged properly. This is going to save so much time on installation, because then you can install all of your buttons, your microphones, and your CDT100s ahead of time before the programmer or the DSP guy comes in to do all of their work. And when you're troubleshooting, it's very easy to tell if this is plugged correctly, because you can tap it. Because when you're tapping, you're confirming that the capacitance work. You're confirming the RGB works. You're confirming that the GPIOs in your device work. So it makes installation really easy. We also have a view meter you can activate. So if you have to tweak the levels with the gain knobs, well, you can see your levels in the button, green, yellow if it's hot, or red if it's clipping. So that can also help with installation. Typically, people, they use CDT100s versus not using a CDT100. They tell us, our dealers usually tell us that they save around 30 to 35% by going with a solution like that. So it's really, if you're tight on money on a project and you want to save extra buck and time, going with a CDT100 Mark III is a good solution. So thank you for your time. Our website is www.clockaudio.com. Thank you. Have a great show.